Ultimate power. 1100 peak watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. 2 versatile programs. 2 Auto-iQ preset programs are uniquely timed for smoothies crushed ice. Remove the guesswork with easy one-touch results. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. By blending whole fruits and vegetables including portions that are usually discarded. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. On-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 24 Oz. Single serve cup. Attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go. Compact simple. So compact that it fits on any countertop, and has intuitive, easy-to-use controls. Quick setup. Easily attach cup and blades assembly to start blending within seconds. Recipe inspiration. Includes a 20-recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Top reviews from the United States. Different blade angles normal and intentional. I recently bought this blender, and have not a problem with it yet. However, I accidentally dropped the blade assembly on the floor. After inspecting the blades, I was concerned because one of the upward-angled blades looked bent to a greater degree than its mirrored counterpart. After much research online, I was not able to find a single photo that showed the blade assembly head-on in a way that told me whether this was a design feature or a result of my accidental drop. I ended up having to get another brand new blade assembly to compare, and the different angles are intentional and safe. I have included some photos of the 2 blade assemblies side by side to assist anybody else who has doubts like I did.